Hey, this is David and welcome to the Tuesday Topic. Have you ever wondered how many points a collection is taking away from your credit score? A lot of our clients have asked that same question. And the answer to that is, well, it depends. You see, everyone starts with a clean slate on their credit report, meaning you have nothing good or bad on there and your score starts at a 0 or it's unrated. The only way to start gaining points to your score is by opening up positive accounts, and as they report in good standing each month, it starts to give you points. So when you're asking how many points is that collection taking away, if you've never had anything positive on your credit report and your score is unrated, that collection is taking away 0 points, which you don't want. You do not want an unrated score. But let's just say that you have positive accounts. The more positive that you have and the higher that your score is, the more damaging that collection is when it hits your credit report. And on top of that, how recent that collection is also plays a huge factor. When it's brand new, it's taking away the most points. And as it gets older, it slowly starts to take away less points. But when we get that one collection removed, you get back all of the points it was taking away. Now let's just say that you have a bunch of collections. There's only so many points that they can take away from your score, and so each one of them is taking away a lower amount of points. Now, if you've ever looked at your credit report and wondered, if I got this removed, how many points could I get back to my score? Give us a call. We would love to go over that with you. We have an expert team of advisors that would love to take a look at your credit report at no cost to you and see what potential that your scores have. As always, like and share the video. If you have anything you'd like to hear us talk about, leave it in the comments. And thanks again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you next week.